right, so Clever stopped working this morning, so I couldn't do my normal lesson, but it is back up again. Lo siento, esta mañana no estuvo funcionando Clever y no pude hacer mi lección como la tenía planeada, pero ya está funcionando ahora. Así que este video les va a ayudar a sus hijos para ver cómo hacer el trabajo de hoy. So since it's working now, this video is going to be helping your child. I'm going to be doing the instructions on how to do the work. First, they're going to go into Clever and go into Seesaw. Primero se van a tener que meter al portal de Clever y entrar a Seesaw. Ellos saben cómo hacer esto. And they all know how to do this part. So after they log in, they have to go to activities. Después tienen que ir a actividades y van a mirar dos actividades. They're going to be able to see the two new activities for today. The first one is a word search, and this is meant to be fun, is the Spanish word search. El primero es una búsqueda de palabras en español con las 12 palabras de ortografía. Lo que tienen que hacer es oprimir el botón verde. They click the green button. Buscan su nombre. They click their name. And then they get to open the page. Here are the instructions in Spanish. Usa el resaltador para encontrar las palabras de ortografía. Aquí abajo hay diferentes herramientas. Tienes que buscar la del resaltador. They have to find the highlighter tool. Y ya ellos pueden escoger cualquier color que quieran para su marcador. They can then choose whichever color for their highlighter. Si las palabras están muy pequeñas, if the words are too small, all they have to do is go to the plus. Es oprimir la lupa que está aquí y oprimirlo una vez y se hacen más grandes. La primera palabra que tienen que encontrar es vegetariano. Tienen que ir en la búsqueda de palabras hasta que encuentren la palabra vegetariano. Después de encontrarla, van a usar el resaltador para subrayarla. So their first word is vegetariano. They have to go here and try to find it. Once they find it, they highlight it. Ya que la encuentren, nada más la subrayan. Vegetariano. Como la encontraron aquí, también aquí ya la pueden borrar. Ya la encontré. Y van a hacer lo mismo para las siguientes palabras. Ya que acaben, van a oprimir el botón verde para entregarlo. Once they have found all 12 words, then they can click the check mark to turn in. El siguiente trabajo que les asigné, the second homework that's on there, it was meant to be classwork, but again, our seesaw was not working earlier. It is titled Irregular Plural Nouns. Click the green button to start. They're going to be using the marker or the T to write the plural noun in the parentheses. So este es el siguiente trabajo. Este es en inglés, es gramática en inglés, irregular nouns. Again, they have to push the button, oprimir el botón. De nuevo, ellos saben cómo hacer todo esto, lo hacen todos los días conmigo. Aquí están las instrucciones. So first, they read the sentence. Bella lost to whom last week? Here's the word that they have to change to plural. How do they say tooth if it's more than one? Boys and girls, remember in the lesson, tooth, we have to convert to teeth. So you can use the pencil or the marker to write it down. Bella lost 2 teeth. Or if you don't like how it comes out, you can always use the T. So I'm going to erase this. And boys and girls, you guys know how to do this. We do it all the time. And type it. Teeth. If you don't like this box, click out. Go to the 3 little dots go to Style, and take the box off. Remember, we do this in class every time. All right, that's it. Next, we have 25 blank in our classroom. The word is child. How do we say child in plural form? More than one. This irregular noun is said to children. We have 25 children. So again, the word in the parentheses, we have to change to plural noun. So I'm going to click the T. And I'm going to type children. So now I can drag it and move it to the line. And if it's too big, we can always go to the corner and we can shrink it, make it smaller so it fits. And if you guys want to change the color of the letters, of course, you can do that as well. My mom says I have two left foot. We can't say my mom says I have two left foot. We have to change the singular noun into plural, more than one. And it's irregular, so we have to say feet. Letter T and type. Feet. And we can move it to the line. Again, if it's too big, you can go to the corner and make it smaller. Now it would read, my mom says I have two left feet. Number 4. In the rhyme, there are three blind mouse. In the rhyme, there are three blind mouse. How do I change mouse to plural, more than one? I cannot say mouses. We have to say mice. Click the T and let's type it. Mice, more than one. M-I-C-E. Click out, and now we can grab the box and move it. And again, you can change the color. In the rhyme, there are three blind mice. Better. Number 5. We need to rake because there were so many leaf. We need to change the singular into a plural, more than one. But we can't say leaf or leaves. We need to change it to leaves. Letter T, leaves. L, E, A, V, E, S. Leaves. Click out and you can drag it to the line. Number 6. There were a lot of swimming in the pond. So this is a tricky one. If you guys remember from the lesson the lesson on Tuesday, this word fish, you can either leave it as fish for irregular plural, or you can change it to fishes. There were a lot of fishes swimming in the pond. Or you can leave it. This is a very tricky irregular plural. You can still leave it as fish and it stays correct. There were a lot of fish swimming in the pond. This is one of these tricky ones that you can say in singular and in plural the same way. Number 7. There were 5 in front of us. The word is person. We can't say there were 5 persons. This is an irregular noun, so it has to change to people. There were 5 people in front of us. You click the T again and you write people. Remember, you guys can change the color, and if the word is too big, go to the corner and make it a little smaller. And we can change the color of it as well. Now, there were 5 people in front of us. Number 8. My grandma has 11 on her farm. The word is sheep. Again, here is another tricky one. Sheep is spelled the same, singular and plural. You guys just have to memorize it. Sheep. We can't say sheeps. It stays the same. Sheep. S-E-E-P. Drag it down. My grandma has 11 sheep on her farm. Number 9. They fed all of the by the pond. The word is geese. This one is spelled correctly. We don't say they fed all of the goose. Goose would be if it's one. Since it's plural, we keep it at geese. More than one. They fed all of the geese by the pond. And the last one, let's see, we have woman and man. All of the and work together. All, that's telling us that there's more than one. Remember this word from our lesson? Woman, if it's more than one, changes to women. Drag it down here, women. W-O-M-E-N. All of the women, and we can't say man. Again, all means more than one. So man, when it's more than one, changes to men. So now it will say men. M-E-N. Let's move it down to the line. Now it says, all of the women and men work together. All right, boys and girls, once you have completed this, make sure you click the green check mark and turn it in to me. So make sure you guys are looking at this video. You have to see the whole video. You guys can pause it whenever you'd like to complete it. I will send a second video with math in a few minutes. I will see you guys tomorrow morning.